So today I'm going to show you how to remove a door handle from a Bentley Continental. This should work for the cars from the year 2019 till present day. So let's get into it. We start from the outside. If you lift this up, you'll see you could put your hands under here, and all you have to do is kind of hook this down and pull. So that'll pop like that. This will pop, and then you just kind of work it off. It'll come off just like that. So now we have this exposed. This is the inside of the door handle. We have a light here and a clip here. This light will kind of shimmy out. Just have to work it out, be careful. Just like that. Then we could get a clip tool in there and disconnect this brown clip. Next, you want to pop out this whole unit right here. Just get your finger back here and pop it out of these little posts. Then disconnect this clip. Now there's two Torx bolts right here. These are T20s. To reassemble, all you gotta do is take this, work the wire into this little groove. We'll see right under the bolt hole. Just get it in there. Same thing with this, get it in this little clip. Then push this back into place and reinstall your two T20 Torx screws. Moving on to the inside of the door, you'll see this little plug right here. You just want to remove that. And then we'll have another Torx T20 in here. You want to unscrew this. And this one will stop, so you don't have to worry about dropping the screw inside of the door, which is nice. Now that that's backed out, we could take this, kind of the whole thing, and pull it out. And get these grommets out. Alright, and then after this, you could put tape around these plugs just so you don't get any water in there, tuck them back into the door, and then delete the door handle pattern off of your kit, and you're ready for installation.